Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So first take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it. Now divide the hairs into three parts like this. Now fold it upward and fix them on the alternative sides. Now on the one side, make the plaits like this and then fold it upward and fix it as shown in the video on the alternative side. Put the hair clutches to fix it and your hairstyle is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it. Now tie all the hairs together, divide it from the between. Now fold it upward and fix it like this. Now fix the hairs inside and put the hair clutch or the bun pin to fix the hairs and it's ready. Next, make a high ponytail. Now take this bun making tool, fix the hairs inside it and then roll it upward and fix it. Now fold it on the backward side like this and fix it on the sides. Now spread the hairs using the band like this and fix it and it's ready. Next, you have to tie the hairs and make a ponytail. Now fix this bun pin on the downside of the hairs after folding it. Now tie the hairs on the top. Now roll it down and fix it using the hairpins like this. Put it and fix it properly and your hairstyle is ready. Next, you have to tie a ponytail, divide it from the between. Now rotate it like this. After that, fix it in the top in a shape of a bow. Now divide the hairs into two parts and roll them together and then fold it upward and fix it like this in the between and the sides and your hairstyle will be ready. Fix it using the hair clips and it's done. Next, you have to tie the ponytail, fix this bun stick. Now roll the hairs around it like this. Now tie it using a rubber band and fix it properly. After that, fold it upward and make a bun. Fix it from the sides, put the pin on the side and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, you have to tie the hairs and then fix this bun clip on the hairs. So take the clip and then tie the hairs and make a plaits on the hairs like this. After you are done with it, fix it using a rubber band. Now tie the hairs on the top like this after folding it and fix it using this bun clutch like this and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, you have to tie the ponytail like this and then fix the hairs by rolling it like this inside the same band. Fix it properly. Take a band which expands well. Now spread it like this from the sides. Fix it on the top and it's ready. Next, take this bun stick or the bun pin like this and then spread the hairs around it or roll it together using the stick and fix it and your bun is ready. Next, you have to tie more beautiful hairs. For that, you have to take the stick like this. Now fix the hairs on the side section of it like this. So take the hairs in the small section and fix it in the space in the between one by one as we are fixing. Fix the hairs properly on the sides as we are fixing it. Watch it properly how we are fixing the hairs. Take equal section of the hairs, otherwise it will look uneven. Fix it properly till the bottom of the hairs. Now at the end, we will fix the hairs by tying it and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you are enjoying these steps. Watch it very carefully how we are tying the hairs, otherwise you may not get the desired results. After you're done with it, fix it at the end and your hairstyle will be ready. Thanks for watching a video.